Hey everyone, Kevin here with Tiblio, and today I'm kicking off a brand new trading series. Now, I'm not wearing my Tiblio hoodie today because my dog ate it. I'm also not the one that's going to be trading. Now, this is a trading series. I'm not trading. Can you guess who is going to be doing the trading? That's right. Tiblio AI, a.k.a. Roger, will be doing the trading for us. And this is the very first video where I highlight what Roger is doing and what's going on in the account. Before we dive in, let me explain a little bit about me. Now, I'm the type of person that stares at my stock prices all day long. The real-time data, it comes into my phone. I have my phone open, looking at the stock prices. I get this anxiety builds up on my open positions. I want to close them. Today was a Thursday, but it's expiration Thursday because tomorrow, Friday, the markets are closed. And so I was staring at the accounts, looking for positions to close or something to change. You know, the anxiety gets to me, my nerves get to me, it gets close to the close, and I may make some weird decisions. Or I've just been staring at the positions long enough to think like, I'm just gonna change something. I'm gonna close this position, I'm gonna sell that option. Oftentimes, these are very emotionally driven trading decisions. All right, take today, for example. I had two contracts on XLF. I've got the daily chart of XLF up here. These are two short call option contracts at the 32 strike. Now, if you can see something that's going on here on this window, today, XLF traded above 32 several times. I have two call options expiring at 32 today. So yes, I was watching this very closely. When XLF dipped some point around 12:30 below 32, trading around 31.95, I was thinking to myself, yes, these contracts are going to expire worthless. And then next week, we'll get to open a couple more contracts. However, running into close, started to trade a little bit higher. And actually, as I was watching it, Tiblio AI entered an order to buy those two contracts to close for 1 cent. So I'm thinking to myself, I don't like that. I want these contracts to expire worthless. So at first I was a little bit upset, canceled the order. And then Tiblio AI put in another order to buy those two contracts to close. And this time I got them off at 2 cents before I could cancel it. At first, I was a little bit irritated, but then take a look at what happened. XLF climbed right into close and closed right at 32. When you have the stock price at your strike price at close, you don't know what's going to happen. The official closing number anytime after market ends till an hour after, you could get assigned even if it's right on the strike, or you could not. You really don't know. The correct thing to do in this case was to buy those contracts to close them before the market closed. Secure the profit and continue to the upside because I still own the shares if the stock continues to rise and then continues to rise on Monday. That would be a really great thing. And then I'll sell two more contracts and have no anxiety about it whatsoever. So the correct thing to do in this case, all emotions aside and all desire for me to see another couple of contracts expire worthless, which I love, the correct thing to do was to go ahead and buy those to close. And that's what Tiblio AI did. Okay, so what does this look like? Well, here's my Tiblio AI dashboard where I have my trading account open, and you see that I have Tiblio AI configured to sell options on XLF and XLC at 50% each. Okay, so we can look at the activity to see what has happened. What happened today right before close. So you see right here, April 6, 2023 at 12:42, Tiblio AI logs, taking profit quantity 2, average 34 cents. This is how it knows it's P&L 97%. On XLF, call options at the 32 strike expiring today. Now put that order in initially at 1 cent, and then 1 minute later, you see that it modified live order and it set a new limit price of 2 cents. It wanted to get out of those contracts. So this is the one that executed at 12.43. Okay, we can see my current positions in this account. It has some put options on XLC. It opened this put option today, the 58.50 strike of XLC. I was previously assigned shares on XLF because I started Roger trading XLF, I think 3 or 4 days before Silicon Valley Bank blew up and went bankrupt. My timing is not great. Here we still have, we have 3 calls on XLF, and we have 4 put options open on XLF. They'll all expire on 4/21. Okay, and here's a shot from within the Tradier Brokerage mobile app. So on my phone, you can see also right here, the first time, the limit buy to close the April 6th, 2023, 32 strike calls, canceled. That was me. So I was in there looking at the prices. I'm going, no. I want these to expire worthless. Cancel. Right? Then you see it didn't give up on me. 10 minutes later, said, Kevin, you're just being emotional. We need to close these out. It submitted the order. And then by the time I saw it, it had filled that order and closed those contracts for me. Okay, so just to wrap up, I started this account trading on March 3rd. I was right here on this green candle. And during this first week of trading, Tiblio AI scaled in quite a few positions, about 25% of the account value. And I did not have it trading XLC at that time. So I had 100% on XLF. It sold a lot of put options. Then Silicon Valley Bank blew up. And right down here, I got assigned on 7 of those put options. Okay, and so now we're coming in here and we're starting to get into this cycle where we're selling call options. Some of the call options are expiring, selling more put options. We'll be selling more call options next week as Tiblio AI runs the wheel strategy on XLF and now XLC. And so, well, XLF dropped from 36 all the way down to the low of 29 or low 30s. Now it's at least recovered back up to 31 and 32. Okay, my account has lost a little bit of money, but we were really saved by several things. First, we're selling put options, so we're bringing in income to reduce those losses. Second, Tiblio AI didn't just go off and sell all of the options that it could have right there on March 3rd. It was scaling in to the full position size. And that protected us from this anomaly in the market where you had a bank failure followed by other potential bank failures, followed by a bunch of fear in the banking system, which just caused this tumble. And now, even if we hang out down here, and my account being down now a little over 1%, we will sell enough options to make up all of that loss within probably the next month. And so that is really the power of the wheel strategy. We can see that we're able to protect our account to the downside. We reduce our maximum loss, and then we flow with the market, whatever it's doing, using all of the tools at our disposal, along with an algorithm that is proven to work. So in the subsequent videos, I will continue to publish what's changed in this account as Tiblio AI is trading the wheel strategy. Each week, I'll do an update. I'll review the positions. I'll review the orders. We'll review where it is, any changes that I've made. I'll probably be adding more money to the account because let's face it, I really shouldn't be trading. Let's have the software trade for me. And if you would like to check it out and try out the software yourself, you can sign up now at https://tiblio.ai. All right, if you like this video and you want to follow along, then hit the subscribe button and you'll be notified of all of the videos and updates that I put out about Tiblio and Tiblio AI. Okay, until next time.